Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview and some general information, and of course, my first impressions on this Rococo premium steel 15-piece chef's knife set sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I have had several different types of knives that have been made by Rococo. I've loved every one of them. Let me tell you some of the features that I really like about this knife set. So the first thing that I noticed when I opened it up, it is a solid piece of stainless steel hand forged. Now what that means is there's no separation between the handle and the blade itself. A lot of times when you have two pieces in a knife, they're going to break apart or something's going to happen during the aging process. But with this, it's a solid piece. That means it's going to last a lot longer. Speaking of the handle, it's got a nice inlay design. I like that. A lot of times you'll see just a regular old piece of steel, but this has a nice design to it. Also, it is ergonomic, so when you put your hand across it, you're going to have a good grip on it. Whether you are right-handed or left-handed, it works the same. For me, I believe there's a good amount of weight distribution. The handle is solid, so when you're cutting with it, you've got more force that's going behind it, less force that it takes to cut, and easier the cut will be. And the knives are super sharp right out of the box. Please be very careful when you're unboxing this. The knives are easy to take care of and easy to maintain. They can be put in the dishwasher. I prefer to hand wash mine. That's just the way that I am about good knives. This set comes with everything that would be a great addition to a kitchen. You've got a chef knife, a slicing knife, a bread knife, a santoku knife, a boning knife, utility knife, 6-piece steak knives, a paring knife, and kitchen shears. And it also comes with a solid wood block and a sharpener built right into the side. This knife set would be a great gift idea for weddings, for housewarming, for Christmas, for birthdays, or just get it for yourself. I am a big fan of quality knives, and I've always loved the quality of Rococo. It is a great knife set. I highly recommend that you give it a look, whether it's for someone else or for yourself. You'll be impressed. This is a set that's going to last a long time. It works for me. It's a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.